Good afternoon, everyone. This is student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime with the forecast update for the 10th of November. Tomorrow is Friday the 11th, but it is also Veterans Day. So I took this image this morning outside of Omea, WestCon. Lots of flags littering the ground in honor of the veterans for tomorrow. Great way for WestCon to pay respect to those who have served our great country. Also, the weather headlines, you have cooler and windier Friday afternoon, and we actually see our highs near 60 degrees around noon tomorrow on Friday, but temperatures will be falling rapidly as the cold front approaches. That cold does last through Saturday, but Sunday is looking warm, and we have a midweek storm potential to talk about for next week. I want to tease that later on in the forecast. But I want to show the current visual satellite. We have a high pressure to the west with the low pressure actually down to our south. These both will move out of the area, but as the high pressure advances with the low pressure, we're going to see winds pick up in a big way tomorrow evening. Like I said, Friday, winds could be gusting at 30 miles per hour throughout the evening time frame. I want to animate the forecast with the radar image right here. We're going through tonight's forecast right now. Nothing to talk about, light and variable winds. But tomorrow morning, we're going to see a southwest wind with temperatures topping off, like I said, near 60 degrees. But we have a cold front coming through the afternoon. Wind switch to the north and west, gusting at 30 miles per hour time. So tomorrow we'll top off near 60, but end the days in the 30s and eventually the 20s by Saturday morning. Saturday looks very cold as well, with highs only in the mid 40s. But for Sunday, high pressure is to our south with the more of a northwest wind, but it's going to be turning to more westerly wind, and this increases the chance for temperatures to near 60 degrees again on Sunday with plenty of sun. So Sunday is definitely the better of the two weekend days. And I did tease it earlier, potential for a midweek storm. Here's one of the forecast models with the storm off the Delmarva Peninsula around Tuesday night. Lots of issues with the models with this storm. They don't know where it's going to go. So next week, the WestCon weather team will update this forecast and see if we can get this beneficial rain to actually come true and give us rain here in Connecticut. Tonight's forecast, we're going to bottom out around 42, which is not that bad for this time of year due to those early clouds as well. Sunset 4:38 p.m. earlier and earlier as we've turned those clocks back this past weekend. And Friday again, thank those veterans. It is Veterans Day. Overall, nice looking forecast early on with temperatures near 60 degrees, but going to put the air there for a reason. Temperatures drop throughout the day as the cold front approaches. Winds become gusty as well, around 30 miles per hour. So the evening commute does look quite gusty and chilly with temperatures by Saturday morning. When I click this button, look at this low for Friday night, Saturday morning, 24 degrees, and the closest locations north of the area will be seeing teens likely. And Saturday is not much better with highs topping out only in mid 40s under cool and breezy conditions. But Sunday, we do bring the sun back with lots of warmth as well. Temperatures near 60 degrees. Better early next week, chance for a few showers Tuesday evening, and that's all in question due to that midweek storm. And WestCon again, weather team will update you on that midweek storm coming next week. But the forecast update tonight, do not forget to check back with Antonio Negron at 7:30. And for the WestCon weather team, I am student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime. Have a great night.